The Pruveeo 3-channel 4K dashcam captures footage from the front, rear, and inside of the vehicle simultaneously, ensuring comprehensive coverage with 1440p, 1080p, and 1080p resolution. For those needing even higher resolution, it also offers a dual-channel mode that records in stunning 4K for the front camera and 1080p for the rear camera. With built-in GPS and 5G Wi-Fi, the dashcam accurately logs your driving location and speed, allowing you to view routes on Google Maps and effortlessly share videos on social media. The infrared night vision feature, enhanced by a high-performance CMOS sensor and 4 infrared LED lights, ensures clear video capture inside the cabin even in complete darkness, making it ideal for rideshare drivers. Included with the Pruveeo dashcam is a generous 128GB SD card with support for cards up to 512GB, offering plenty of storage for your recordings. Additionally, the dashcam comes with a 2-year warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of quality and durability.